What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we're going to be talking about my 2020 equipment setup video. I'm about to hit you with the best cinematic sequence you've ever seen with equipment. Without further ado, let's roll the best B-roll sequence you've seen probably today, unless you just finished watching Peter McKinnon. Just kidding. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shoo. What'd you guys think of that? That was pretty sick. Took me about 2 hours to film all that, so hopefully it came together as good as it looks and as good as I'm envisioning. I haven't even edited the video at the time of filming this, so hopefully it turned out a-okay and looks just as good as I expected. Here in this video, guys, this is just simply I'm going to be talking about my equipment and what's going on with my equipment. You guys remember, if you have not seen last year's video, oh my gosh, I don't even know if I recommend you go watch it, but I'm going to leave a link in the top right hand corner of that video. That video is crazy bad. It was like my 4th video I made last year. And I kind of see a habit with lawn care professionals. They like to make their videos about how they do their business, how they run on a day-to-day basis. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my mowers, and we'll work our way down to smaller equipment from there. Right now I'm running the 2020 21-inch Toro Super Recycler Matte Black as one of my mowers. That is the highest model in the line. If you've not seen last week's video where I did my first initial thoughts on it, I'll also leave that linked in the top right hand corner. I went over model numbers and more specific things on that unit in that video, so if you're interested in that, feel free to go check that out. My other mower I'm running is a 2018 Toro Recycler. That's a low model. I paid about 250 bucks from it from Home Depot. I didn't really get any B-roll of it in the sequence, as it's really not the greatest piece of equipment that I have in my bunch. Plus, it doesn't really look as cool. I use those for 1, to cut my yard, and 2, to cut the few customer yards I have that are just gated backyards. So nothing crazy, as I don't really have a lot of grass cutting around here, as it's all HOA managed, and I just stick to the landscaping and fertilization work. As far as my fertilization setup, we are running the Chapin 12-gallon battery-operated push-behind sprayer as my sprayer of choice to spray out those lawns for liquid fertility. That is insane. Great sprayer, and that is one of my good sprayers that I just use for liquid fertility. As far as weed control, I placed an order for an Echo hand pump backpack sprayer, so I'm going to be using that for weed control. So when I get that in, we're going to be doing more videos about that. And for my granular fertilizers and pre-emergence, I'm using the Earthway 2600A+. That is a great starter spreader, and this year I'm looking to upgrade to the spiker spreaders, hopefully. As far as trimmers, from last year's video, we were running the Ryobi, I think it's 28cc, quick attach. You can change the attachments. And this year that has changed to the Steel KM111R combi system. That is a great trimmer with plenty more power. Gets the job done, gets through the work. It's perfect for the job. Awesome stuff. As far as blowers, last year, if you remember, we were running the Hitachi hand blower. This year we upgraded to the Steel BR430, and hopefully my buddy with Derek with the Blois Landscaping is going to be selling me a BR600 to replace that, or possibly add a second blower, as I'll be getting rid of the Hitachi here very soon. The Gorilla Garden carts is about the same. Other than that, that's really all my equipment. I got all the same hand tools. I'm looking to replace those this year. It's actually right behind me back here, and I'm looking at it right now, and it's kind of a mess because I need to get new hooks. I have a whole cart with Home Depot completely filled up with stuff I need to do. And then back here on the shelves where I keep all my liquid fertility, fertilizers, all that kind of stuff. And of course, I gotta have the American flag. America. Anyway guys, I know this is a little bit shorter of a video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We will be back to lawn updates next week as, yeah, stay tuned. I'm not really sure what we'll do, but I'm thinking a humic app because I have some issues in the backyard I want to talk about. And as far as gas cans, we were running the SureCan 2.2 gallon gas cans and a few other miscellaneous gas cans. It gets the job done. I don't need a crazy amount of gas, so it works just fine. If you guys have any other questions about the video or any other questions how my equipment works, I know this was just a quick coming at you video. Wanted to address the facts and see what you guys thought of the setup. Please leave them in the box down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from Aiden Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Take care, guys. If you guys thought that was the only walkthrough I was going to give you, psych! I'm going to give you a real proper walkthrough other than a cinematic sequence. All my Greene County fertilizer products here. More replacements. Carbon Earth, Carbon-X, that's Carbon-X, X-Greene, extra fertilizers, all my gas cans, miscellaneous stuff for YouTube, miscellaneous stuff there. Workbench is kind of a mess. You guys are seeing this real time. Over here, just kind of keep this stuff here piled up. Nothing really crazy. Then we got our Chapin here. This is our Toro 6.25 horsepower, 163cc recycler. Just got my stuff up there. Hoses and sprinklers, Ryobi blower, and then I keep like super clean string, anything else I need back there. Steel KM 111R with the no guard on it. That's just a string trimming attachment. My Scott's reel mower, I don't use it very often. It's just extra. Steel BR 430. Toro Matte Black Super Recycler, 7.25 horsepower, 159cc. Then up here, I just keep shovels, landscape rake, extra rakes down there. I got pitchforks, mulch shovels. All that's going to be redone. Snow shovels, wheelbarrow, Earthway 2600A plus. I just keep this like this. And then back here, I have hand can for glyphosate for the beds, preen, the Ryobi weed whacker, and then, you know, just random things up there. And one more thing I wanted to show you, I just have the weed eater attachment for the Ryobi and the hedge trimming attachment, and yeah, just try to keep this area as organized as possible. Again, I'll show you over here why I don't like this. If you can see, let me zoom in for you, under there, see, those things break. And I had that issue on that one right there. So this is just not a proper setup, and I want to get hooks that I can hang like all these shovels on one hook, all the rakes on one hook, the snow shovels on one hook. I'm going to replace that. I built that, by the way. All the pitchforks up on one hook. But what I was saying is I want to replace all these shovels to the same brand. These landscape, the small rakes, I want to get 3 or 4 of those, get another pitchfork, and just keep everything organized. But that big rake back there, that we got that from a friend, and I'm going to be using that on some big sod jobs. So I'm actually signing off this time. Hope you guys enjoyed checking out the setup. Oh, we got a leaf rake down there. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed checking out the setup. Stay safe out there. Get 'em. Peace.